Okay, today we're here to show you how the 36 rebar bending machine works. As you see here, this is the plug where you got 3 phases and 1 earthing in the middle. We have to make sure that the earthing is not neutral because you'll have some electrical problems in the future if it's neutral. It must be earthing. Now we firstly connect our machine. After the machine is connected, you can connect our accelerator here and make sure it's over here to work with. Secondly, this is the off position. You can have it on position by turning to the left and also turning to the right. This switch is also to control the turning of the main body. If you want it to turn to the left, you turn it to the left side. If you want it to turn to the right, you turn it to the right side. Secondly, you got your emergency button here. As usual, and with every machine that's connected, once an emergency, you press it, it stops automatically. Okay, you also got the automatic use and the manual use. At the moment, it's on manual use, where once you press the accelerator and you keep your foot on the accelerator, this will keep turning until you make your foot back off. The automatic mode, all you have to do is press the accelerator once and that will turn to the position and the location that you want it to turn to. Once you want it to stop again, press it again like this. You also got the single bending and the strip up bending. Single bending is only done for only 1 bending degree. Example, if you want 45-degree angle bending, you turn it to the single bending and it only does it on 45-degree angle, 45-degree angles. If you turn it to the strip up mode, which I'm going to show you later, you can have it bending in different positions, 180, 90, 45, or 45, 90, 45, and this will constantly bend the metal for what you want it to bend to. Now, it is very important to understand, once you turn it to the strip up mode and you choose your bending 180, 90, 45, then we press the accelerator. Okay, this will bend to 45 first, and then it will bend to 90, and then 45 again. You must understand, once you chose 180, 90, 45 and you start bending, you cannot change it back to 90 or 45 or 180 unless you restart this button again. And now, once you restart, you can choose 180, 90, 180, 45, whatever you want to choose. But you have to understand that it must be reset before changing. Now, let's come to the sensor. For these pins to work correctly, the sensor and the pin has to at least have 3 millimeters in between. If it's more than 3 millimeters, the sensor won't work and the machine will completely turn. If it's less than 3 millimeters, you might have problems with the sensor hitting the pin. So it is very important to make it 3 millimeters only. Now we're coming to the bending stage. As you can see, now we're going to put the appetites on. Firstly, the pins. Depending on the size of the metal, that's how the big the pins will be. Okay. You got the organization here. Organize this here, and as you can see, it's blocked. Now you'll have your rebar bend metal here. You gotta make sure that this is straight with this surface here, and make sure that it's connected to here. And to organize this, you can bend it, turn it from here. make it into a straight position. Now that's ready to bending. Make sure So if this gap is open too much, you might have problems with the pins. So you can put this a bit more forward, which to this hole or this hole, depending on the size of your rebar bending. This is ready to bend for the angle you want it to bend in. Let's come through our bending. Before bending, always make sure, for safety reasons, put this aside and see if it's turning to the right side. Test it if it's turning to the right side. Now, it's right. As you can see, this is 45 angle, 90 angle and 180 angle. First bending will be, we want it to bend for 45. We put our metal here. Press the accelerator. You got your 45. If you think that this is not enough for 45, you can move the pin 2 holes further, come back, and as you can see, it will be the way you want it to be, 45. Now we want to bend it to 90. And now we'll come to the second thing. Put the metal here, press the accelerator. You got your 90 angle here. Again, if you think that this is not enough, move it 2 or 3 holes further. Press the accelerator. You got your 90. Let's come to 180. 180 is the last pin there. Accelerator. As you can see, it's 180. Maybe you want a bit more further if this is not enough for you. And this looks perfect for me anyway, 180. Now we're going to show you the strip up mode, strip up bending. We'll turn it to the strip up mode here and we choose our angles. First I want 45, then I want 90, then I want 180. Now we're ready to bend. Again, put our rebar here. First, we got 40. Then, now, it's on 90, as you can see the light. We've got 90. Now it comes to 180. And now we bent it to 180. This is the strip up mode on how it's done. Now finally, after everything's finished, after your bending is finished, make sure to clean your machine. Clean your pins, maybe put a bit of grease there, grease oil there. Clean around the machine here. And it's very important to make sure that there's no metal dust in front of the sensor. If there's some dust or metal dust in front or on the sensor, it might cause some problems and it might wreck the sensor and not make it work. So make sure after finish, just do a quick clean up. Maybe if you need to grease your products, grease them and pack it away for the next morning. Thank you.